Are you looking for a way to get a free credit card for Discord Nitro? Look no further. In this video, I'll explain how to get a free virtual credit card that you can use to get Nitro. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Be sure to watch the video until the end to enjoy all the features of Discord Nitro. First, open your preferred web browser and simply search for Skrill. Then, click on the specific link sc.com. Skrill is a virtual wallet for online money transfers and payments. Once you're on the site, click the purple sign up button at the top right of the page. The next step is to register for a Skrill account. Fill out the form and click the sign up button. After completing your registration, you'll be directed to Skrill's homepage where you can access the free virtual credit card to use for online shopping and to get Discord Nitro for free. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.